Okay, real quick on this quick video, we're going to add the TDI to your mobile platform, your cell phone or your tablet, anything that's a mobile device. I'm on an Android. I'm on a Samsung. The settings are pretty much the same on an iPhone as well, or an iPad. So first things first, we're going to go up here to at the top where you have your crosshair, the little cross, the little plus. Then you have the F symbol. Click on the F symbol. That's going to give you all your features right now, your indicators. These are the moving averages, you know, the ketchup, the water, the mayo, the blueberry. That's what's installed right now on your main chart. Okay. So now click on that little, on the corner right there where it says main chart, click on the little plus sign. It brings you to this, to your indicators windows here. We're not going to mess around with the trends right now. Scroll down here to where it says Relative Strength Index. That's RSI, the Relative Strength Index. Click on the Relative Strength Index. It brings you to this screen where you're going to mess with the settings here. Now, set the RSI. Set the RSI to 13. So in this case, it's already set because I already have it. Set it to 13. Apply to close. Apply to close. The styles. Make sure that that the background is black, or if you have the option to click none, click none. Okay. So we set the, set the RSI. The background needs to be the color of your background. I have it in black, so I'll leave it in black. Next thing you know, we have levels. You should have a 50, a 32, and a 68. We're going to edit that. Click on the little pencil here to edit the levels. I already have mine preset, but pretty much yours should say description. I already have them set. It said description. So on the 50, since that's the middle of the TDI, I'll just put mid. That's it. For the 32, that's pretty much my buy zone. Buy zone. Your 68 will be a sell zone. And the style, 1 pixel is fine. And that's the end of that right there. Go back. Click done. Make sure that you click done. Now look what happens on your chart on the bottom. You have your RSI 13 period. That's fine. You have your sell zone. That's the 68 value. Anything in that zone, we're looking to sell. That's pretty much stop on high, drop. The the 50. Most of the time, they're working the watermark at those levels. And your buy zone, the 32. Most of the time, you're going to have stop on low, rise. You're going to start seeing W's in those zones. And in your sell zones, you're looking for stop on high, drop, possible M patterns and stuff like that. The next thing we're going to do is add moving averages to the RSI indicator. So go back up there where it says the F symbol. Click on it. And go down to the indicator window to where your RSI is located. Click on the little plus sign. Click plus. Okay. We're going to insert a moving average onto the RSI indicator window and set that period to 2. Okay. So now we add a moving average. Click on moving average. The period is going to be 2. We're going to apply that exponential. You can leave that alone. Click on apply to, and we want to apply that to previous indicator data. Previous indicator data. Click on it. There it is. The method, switch that method to simple. The pixels, I'll leave it at 3. And we're going to set that at green. Change the color, the style, change that color to green. So I'll put a green here. Okay. And, we're going to leave that as green, and we're going to leave that alone. We're going to click done. Now look at your RSI down there on the bottom. That's your current price right now. It matches with the candlesticks. That's the current action right now going in the market. The next thing we need to do is add, again, we're going to add the red line. Okay. So again, click the F button, click the little plus sign on your indicator window down there to the, where the RSI is at. Click the plus sign. We're adding another moving average. Click on that moving average right here under the trend, moving average. Now we're going to switch the period to this. The period is going to be 7. We're going to keep the method simple and apply it to the previous indicator data. I already have that set. Change the color, the style, change it to, I'm going to change it to red. And click done. Okay. Now you have your green and your red lines on the bottom inside the TDI. We need to keep doing this. Now we need to add the blue bands. So again, go back up to the F symbol, go down there to the indicator window, click the plus sign. Okay. Scroll down. Because we're adding a Bollinger band. Give me 1 second here. Okay, right here. Under trends, you see the Bollinger bands? Click on Bollinger bands. Okay. Now, we're going to set that to 34. The period has to be 34. With the deviation to 1.619. And we're going to apply it, the shift, leave that alone. And we're going to apply it to the first indicator data. Apply to first indicator data. I already have mine set. Okay. And the pixels, I'll leave them at 2. And I'm going to leave that color in blue. I want my Bollinger bands to be in blue. The volatility bands to be in blue. Click done. Now you have the volatility bands in there, and we need to add one more moving average. So go back to your F button, go to the indicator window down there with the RSI is at, click on the plus sign, add a moving average, click on moving average. On this one, we're going to set this to 34. 34. We're going to be, the method is going to be simple. The shift is going to be 0. And we're going to apply this to the first indicator data. So switch it from apply to previous to first indicator data. And the color is going to be yellow. I'll leave them. That'll be the closest to yellow. Click done. There you have it. And there you have it. That completes the TDI for you right there on your mobile phone or your tablet or any other platform that's mobile. Okay.